All right, good morning, guys. Gonna bring you a shed demo today. Gonna try to keep it short and sweet. And we're here at a property in Vacaville, CA. Beautiful property, I might add. So we're gonna be taking down this shed. It's a pretty nice size. I wouldn't say it's built the best, but we're gonna get in here and we'll show you how we take it apart, what we think is the best. The customer wants to save the electrical here, so we're gonna do our best to save that, and stay tuned. All right. Okay, guys. So check out. There's some electrical in here. So just want to make sure breakers are off. Check with the customer. You see the line here. So the breakers are off. So we're actually gonna cut this thing from the ground, and then we're gonna start hacking at this thing right now. I got Danny on the sledgehammer. So with these, we like to do always we like to work from the top down. You know what I mean? The top down is better. Make it easier on you. Once you get the top down, you know what I mean, you can really start demolishing shit. So stay tuned, guys. I'll check back in with you guys in a little bit once we get this top off of. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna even maybe take the sawzall and kind of cut pieces out, manageable pieces that we can carry. And I don't really know what the hell Danny's doing, just but creating a mess. So let me help him out later. What'd you say in there? No, he say what? What'd you say?
Nothing.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah. All right, guys, we're working on getting the top off. It's about 5 minutes. So not even using the sawzall yet. Whoa, watch your ass there, buddy. Watch your ass there, buddy. All right, guys. We're taking the roof. We're gonna cut the roof into sections. Once we get the roof off and the manageable sections that we can carry, then we can start sledging, pushing, pulling. That way it doesn't come down on you. And sometimes you gotta take these, you don't wanna be inside of this thing and have it fall down. So cut manageable pieces, and then we'll get to the base. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, we got it down. So once you get the top down, it'll start to fold up. It'll fold, and you can kind of just push on things, and it'll fall down. So now, it's going well. So now all that we're doing is just cutting in manageable type, manageable pieces to load. So yeah, stay tuned. It's going well. Honestly, I think we've been at it about 25 minutes. All right, guys, we've been here 56 minutes. Don't get me wrong, this shed wasn't, built the toughest. It helps when it's old, and rotted. You can pull and twist, but so far 56 minutes. So I think we'll probably have it loaded, swept, and cleaned about an hour 20 minutes probably. So not bad. You see the axis was great. That makes a big help. But yeah, we're about almost wrapped up with it. I hope the video was kind of informative. I didn't really go into detail. Basically, when you get these structures, it's best to start off at the top. Obviously, it's almost common sense, right? Yeah, start off at the top. If you start down low and all that weight can come tumbling down. So it's the best start off at top, cut or get pieces that aren't too heavy and, manageable. So once you get enough of them, the roof's gone, and then you can start working with the base. Once you got the base, you can kind of pull, sledgehammer, hit. You don't really have to worry about safety wise. You can kind of really, tear into it. But yeah, overall another successful, safe project. If you guys want to see more demo, like, subscribe, please. I'm trying to be more consistent on here this year. Even if the videos are dumb, whatever, let me know in the comments. If they're dumb, just say dumb video. I appreciate it. Let me know somebody's watching. So stay tuned. Check back in, guys. Later.